In a world that constantly bombards us with stimuli and challenges, there are moments when we feel an intuition that there is something beyond what we perceive at first glance. Perhaps you have experienced sensations that seem to go beyond the tangible, or have had flashes of awareness that make you question the very nature of reality. These feelings could be linked to the concept of the fifth dimension, a realm of reality emerging as a new way to understand our place in the cosmos. Exploring and understanding this dimension can offer you a transformative perspective on your life and the universe as a whole. The fifth dimension goes beyond the four physical dimensions we know: length, width, height, and time. In our three-dimensional reality, we are accustomed to living within a linear and static framework where time moves in one direction and space is perceived as a fixed boundary. The fifth dimension, in contrast, offers a vision of the universe where time is not a continuous line, but a complex web of interconnected moments that coexist simultaneously. Imagine a space where time is not measured in minutes or hours, but where every moment exists in eternal simultaneity. This shift in perspective profoundly alters our perception of reality, allowing us to explore new dimensions of existence beyond physical and temporal limitations. The impact of the fifth dimension on our daily lives is profound and multifaceted. By tuning into this new reality, we experience a spiritual transformation that redefines how we live and relate to the world. This awakening to the fifth dimension urges us to break free from material limitations and embrace a more authentic way of living, aligned with our inner purpose. As we begin to explore this new dimension, we realize that the old limiting beliefs and patterns we have held onto for so long start to dissolve. This process can be challenging, but it is also an opportunity to discover a new way of living that is in harmony with our deepest essence. One of the most fascinating aspects of the fifth dimension is its influence on our energetic frequency. In our current reality, we are immersed in a vibration marked by fear, stress, and separation. However, the fifth dimension offers us the possibility of elevating our frequency to a state based on unconditional love, compassion, and unity. This frequency shift can have a transformative impact on our daily life experience. By raising our vibration, we experience greater inner peace, reduced stress, and a heightened ability to connect with others on a deeper level. It is as if we are fine-tuning our internal receiver to resonate with a higher universal frequency, allowing us to live in a more harmonious and balanced way. You may already be beginning to notice the effects of the fifth dimension in your everyday life. Perhaps you feel drawn to spiritual practices that previously did not interest you, or maybe you are seeking deeper answers about your life's purpose. These signs indicate that you are on the path toward alignment with the fifth dimension. Additionally, changes in your personal relationships may also be a manifestation of this transition. You may be attracting people who resonate with you on a deeper level, or experiencing a stronger connection with those who share your spiritual values and aspirations. While these changes can be challenging and require adaptation, they are a natural part of aligning with this new vibrational frequency and lead you toward a more authentic and meaningful life. The journey to the fifth dimension is a continuous process of personal and spiritual evolution. This path requires a conscious commitment and a willingness to transform our beliefs and habits. Meditation, for example, is a fundamental tool in this process. Through meditation, we can explore our inner being, connect with a higher consciousness, and access a deeper understanding of our true nature. Self-reflection also plays a crucial role in helping us identify and overcome internal blocks that may be limiting our growth. Practicing gratitude, forgiveness, and compassion are essential steps to raise our vibration and align with the frequency of the fifth dimension. Additionally, surrounding ourselves with people who share our desire for spiritual growth can provide the necessary support for this process, creating a resonance network that facilitates our evolution and helps us move forward on our journey. The influence of the fifth dimension also has significant implications for humanity as a whole. As more people awaken and tune into this new frequency, we can anticipate a global transformation in collective consciousness. This shift has the potential to alter the very fabric of society, fostering greater harmony, cooperation, and understanding among people. The fifth dimension could serve as the catalyst for a brighter and more conscious future where humanity lives in greater balance with the cosmos and itself. The evolution toward this new spiritual reality could lead us into an era of greater peace, prosperity, and universal connection. The process of integrating with the fifth dimension also involves a call to personal and collective action. It invites us to question our established beliefs and explore new ways of living that align with a higher frequency. This transformation process can be challenging, but it is also profoundly enriching. Each of us, by making the leap to this new way of being, contributes to the collective awakening and the creation of a more harmonious world. The fifth dimension is not just a destination, but a journey of transformation that leads us to greater fulfillment and connection with the universe. Beyond meditation and self-reflection, it is important to engage in practices that foster spiritual growth and expand consciousness. Participating in spiritual learning communities, reading inspirational literature, and attending workshops or seminars on topics related to the fifth dimension can enrich your path. These activities not only provide new perspectives, but also connect you with other individuals who share your interests and aspirations, creating a supportive and resonant environment that facilitates your evolution. Continuous learning and personal development are essential for aligning with the fifth dimension and living a more conscious and meaningful life. In summary, the fifth dimension offers a unique opportunity to experience a richer and more meaningful existence. As we open ourselves to this new reality, we find greater peace, purpose, and connection with the cosmos. The influence of the fifth dimension on our lives and humanity as a whole is profound and significant. The invitation is to explore and embrace this new dimension with an open mind and heart. Are you ready to take the next step in your spiritual journey? The fifth dimension is waiting for you, offering a profound and transformative embrace that promises to lead you to a more fulfilling and enriching life. The key is to be willing to explore, discover, and live according to this new reality, allowing the fifth dimension to guide you toward a more conscious and harmonious future. This process of personal and collective transformation takes us to a new level of understanding and existence. By integrating the fifth dimension into our lives, we not only enhance our individual well-being, but also contribute to a positive global change. Humanity is at a turning point, and each of us has the power to influence this shift. As more people awaken and tune into the fifth dimension, the impact on collective consciousness becomes more evident. The transition to this new reality is not just an opportunity for personal growth, but also for creating a more harmonious and balanced world. The fifth dimension invites us to rethink our way of living and embrace an existence more aligned with our spiritual essence. It offers us the possibility of living in greater harmony with the universe and experiencing a deeper connection with ourselves and others. As we move forward on this journey, we can discover a new way of being that allows us to live more authentically, consciously, and fully. The fifth dimension is not just a new way of understanding reality, but an invitation to live according to a higher purpose and contribute to a more enlightened and harmonious world. If this exploration of the fifth dimension and its influence on your life has inspired you, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Here, you will find more content on spirituality, personal growth, and the latest trends in conscious transformation. Share this video with friends and loved ones who may benefit from this information, and feel free to leave your comments and questions below. I would love to hear how you are experiencing the influence of the fifth dimension in your own life. Remember that every step toward spiritual awakening is a step toward a richer and more meaningful life. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and see you in the next video, where we will continue exploring new ways to connect with our deepest selves and the universe. Until then, keep exploring, growing, and living consciously and fully.